Okay, today you missed in class a review on graphing inequalities, and we did some systems of inequalities. So let's remember how to graph an inequality. Remember, the inequality symbol tells us if it's a solid line or if it's a dotted line. So we would go up to the y-intercept, which is 2. My slope is up 1, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. I would graph the line, and then I shade in either the area or above or below based off of the point that works. So I'm going to switch the side to the answer key here. So this is my graph where I started at the y-intercept and I went up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Then I picked a point. So my inequality is y is less than 1/2 x plus 2. So I can pick any ordered pair that I want. I am going to pick 0, 0 because 0, 0 is easy. So I plug 0 in for y, I plug 0 in for x, and then I simplify, which gives me 0 is less than 2. Because that works, 0 is less than 2, I want to include that ordered pair in my solution. So I shaded the entire area below because that's where 0, 0 is. Let's look at another one. This one is y is greater than or equal to negative x minus 4. So I have a solid line because there's that equal sign underneath the inequality. I put a dot at negative 4 on the y-axis, and I go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. I end up with a solid line and a y-intercept of 4. So on the next slide, you can kind of see where that line is. The y-intercept got cut off. I need to test a point, and again, I'm going to pick this origin point, and I'm going to see if it works. So I plug 0 in for y, I plug 0 in for x, and I solve. So 0, negative 0, which is just 0, minus 4 is negative 4. I end up with 0 is greater than or equal to negative 4. That is true. So I want to shade the entire area where 0, 0 is. So that's why this whole area up here is shaded. So to review those two slides, we graph the line, we test any point, but I would pick an easy point like 0, 0. We plug it in for x and y, we solve, and we see if it's a true or a false statement. A true statement means you include it in the shaded region. A false statement means you do not include it in the shaded region. And then we shade. So that's how to do one inequality.